Welcome to M365 Professional. Want more efficient and flexible ways to create and publish schedules? Shifts in Microsoft Teams offers time-saving options to reuse schedules from Excel. When a schedule is built in Shifts, it can be exported to an Excel file. Details can be added. Then the file can be re-imported into Shifts to use for the next week's schedule. Schedules from Excel can also be directly imported into Shifts. To begin the export process, go to the ellipses to select Export Schedule. After exporting, select the downloaded Excel file to open. All the data can be seen from the schedule, and changes can be made to the whole sheet. For example, find the date of the schedule that needs to be copied and replace it with the new schedule date. Notes specific to certain shifts can also be updated. After the changes are made, hit Save and return to Shifts in Teams. The updated spreadsheet can be imported from the same location where it was exported from. Just select Import. Then Upload File. Choose the file that was just updated in Excel. Then Open. Once it's imported, changes can still be made in Shifts as needed. Create and publish schedules for Teams more efficiently with Shifts in Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.